Okay, mfana, ucwele ngale nto eyenzakalayo manje mfana.
What's happening, Jam?
Hey. Nangusimamane mfana, gun blazing.
Yeah.
Angene uJ Katana no Kill Brady. Bese to top it off, athi angifuni nina bafana abancane, ngifuna babeni.
Yeah, I saw that. Ngiyibonile because it's been trending. And amangena abantu ababhaya kule beef nyane khona le.
Yeah.
I don't know, planned or something.
To me, probably it's planned because since from like January, it's beef one way go hip hop. I think they're just trying to revive hip hop, and the only best way to revive hip hop, it's beef. You know.
Yeah.
Remember, like last year, if we're gonna go internationally, best forecast go Kendrick, no Drake. It was like hip hop ya buya nyana nangale state because of beef. Yeah, because of beef. Kendrick, no Drake. So sabona Speedster, no Blake.
Yeah.
Bangenana. Hood. Yeah,
but the thing is about the music what I'm saying. I'm glad Lintona days about Smamane and about Kill Brady. Like they made songs.
Yeah.
When it gets to the kill Speedster no Blake.
Yeah.
Video tweets and video. Some of them I don't know if I can say this. Some of vibes man are wrong, you understand. It's a text nan sabachita.
Nakhona Speedster ngeke za angene kubooth angene.
No, ayakangene yeah. But we know angisho ukuthi is a producer.
Yeah, he is a producer. Yeah. The thing is what? The only thing is just doing Speedster is just taunting the boys. Remember, Speedster boy from experience.
Speedster Ndanga for me. He's the one trying to revive
hip hop. Yeah.
I understand. But the new skill kids, they have the like I don't know, privilege mindset. We're not gonna do things the way
the olden days.
You understand? But hip hop is hip hop, dog. Sibonile, we saw this with Drake and Kendrick.
True.
Hip hop will never change.
No, it won't change. The thing is what? It's no longer hip hop because it's infused with double trap. It's infused Nana sound now.
Yeah, but
because Njengo Kill Brady or J Katana, they are doing like a trap. It's not really hip hop.
I understand.
To bring in Obola Capra.
Now those are dogs. Yeah, those are dogs. Quedas, wait.
The Quedas are dogs, but now they're not in the standard of hip hop. They are doing a trap. You see.
Yeah, but they rap. I can say, if it comes to Abu Kill Brady and Abu La Cabra and Abu Lo-Fi, Quedas, all of them. In fact, those guys rap. I understand. Even on trap beats, like Martin. You can hear them. If it's to Kill Brady, fuck. On some songs I can't even hear what to say. You understand?
No,
like who shot it? That trap there, man.
Yes.
Too much. You understand? For the audience, that I'm saying.
For me, they're not doing commercial stuff.
Yeah.
The thing that they're doing is not commercial. It's just for those who follow them. Few people. I'm interested in what you're doing. I'm gonna be your fan.
Yeah.
I'll support you however way you want. And
yeah.
So for me, those people they're not doing much.
Yeah, and because where does it stem? Like the beef, it's been happening. But what happened? Usmamane was released something like that.
It's from the crew EGMG, which the crew is Oshuguti. It's Ubleki, Kill Brady, J Katana, I think a few others.
Yeah.
So they released the song, I think last year. They touched the beat, Usmamane. I think that's where everything started.
So why respond now?
Because now I have time. Probably he didn't have time, he was chilled. And remember, beef is fueled by fans.
Yeah.
You know,
mostly.
Because it's fans. Yes, because it's fans that dissects. There's beef. Same as
probably Usmamane doesn't even listen to Wabachi.
Yes,
maybe you know, comment your mom.
That is beef,
yeah.
Because gentlemen, Usmamane, I want your dairy. You know?
Yeah, I'm not paid like that.
But you can only think of Ubleki because it's bigger than the boys.
No, Ubleki is daily, I understand.
Yeah.
Ubleki is daily because if it wasn't for them, we wouldn't even know Kill Brady.
True.
to be honest with you, even Jay Katana, I don't even know one song, personally.
Yeah.
I understand.
Yeah.
I've only heard of him. I already beef there. So there's someone called
Jay Katana.
They're
pushing in the streets. I know about them because that time I was investigating who's this guy, Nayoshai Trap. Well, I'd say more famous. The album like will keep it reach #1 this year.
This
guy, man. He even had a listening session. Why am I forgetting about this guy?
South African.
Was it Pitori? This Pitori guy is Vedabashaya the Trap.
The Trap, yeah.
Why am I forgetting his name? But anyways, all that crew, they're doing the same thing, you know.
Yeah.
So we with the same thing, Boop Api. Yeah. They're all in the same genre. Pushing the same thing.
Yeah.
So we do Blakey and Aries. They decided to push their boys to get out so that they can be commercial because they started giving them features. So which means Blakey took them under his wing.
So like, to be honest, I see Aries is more affiliated with Abu Sasti, Lakabra, Abu Lo-Fi, understand?
Yeah.
And then Blakey, he's affiliated with. So these two groups.
Yeah.
Like there's something Abeko Grand, we can say that.
You know what? I wouldn't say Abeko Grand. I'd say for it to make sense hip hop wise, there's a need for a beef in between.
Yeah.
You know, we had to AKA,
I love what's happening.
Yeah, we had to AKA and Casper. It made sense because we're looking forward to attending whatever Casper is doing, so that we can have anything to say about Cas.
Yeah.
Looking forward to attend.
They both made a lot of money in their way, and became more popular because of your beef level.
Yeah. So right now, with me, I wouldn't even say there's a beef as yet.
Yeah.
You know, I'd say there's a beef the day maybe Blakey responds now. You know, because he hasn't even said anything. Because the boys responded. Kim Brady responded. I think even Jay Katana.
But it did said all those songs. I understand.
You see, to show good probably boy agna beef lie.
Yeah, there's no beef there because I heard he's doing a tour, Jay Katana. So but he's pushing more the toyake. That's why I deleted those things because he's done the work. The marketing the guy phone we told him. So yeah, but to this beef because my abachita as being exactly into what angeke you cause a strain go relationship got Blake Aries.
Nah, I don't think it will cause any strain between Blake and Aries this thing. But because Aries is far.
Aries is used to being alone.
You know, Aries, and at the same time, here we can bring it to Usimamani no Blake.
Yeah.
As much as they want to go head to head, for me, new Blake, I wouldn't even respond. You know why?
Yeah.
Because right now, Usmaman, he's just hot. But he's not big.
No, he's not even hot right now.
No, he's hot because in the social media bars, in the streets, they are talking about him. That's hot. But in terms of big, Blake is big.
It's too big.
Too big. And at the same time, brand-wise, Blake is affiliated. Usimamani not yet. He's still growing, you know?
Yeah.
For me, this is a way of him positioning himself using Blakey as a stepping stone, because if I beat the #1, which means I'm #1.
Yeah, but
you know?
Get this. The chance Blake. So it's not about more what and he's using Blakey and all this, you understand?
Yeah, about chance. Babe, I funa use Usimamani.
Yeah.
But now Usimamani funa use Blakey because he states very well with the boys, I don't want you. You're still young in this game.
Yeah, they're nothing, dog.
Yeah, I want that guy.
But
and if that guy responds, platform now.
But
you know?
When I can say this, if they go bar for bar, Vitus Mama wins.
Bar for
understand? Bar. Yeah. Like who play him fit is good musically, but lyrically dog like rap.
Yeah.
Nah. Yeah, and he makes good music. I won't lie. He makes good music. Man, for me, I love him more love songs love songs wakantsoyembu even netrap yakhe la epusha I think umuntu pioneer ukuthi he made the trap popular here eMzansi
true
ngabo Mtase and all that yabo so he's big but let's go like bar for bar rapping
you don't think Blakey can handle Usmamani
rapping bar for bar
I don't know
I hope he releases I hope he releases
you know what I think mina he can ne because we haven't had him becoming raw le nto inenhlamba Blakey unenhlamba so with inhlamba and now putting it together in a song I think angaba raw as hell like he can go for Usmamani like
maybe it's because
and at the same time because they are both Zulu it doesn't end they throw hands those guys
I paid
so if the boys who like they go bar for bar I'm willing to listen but my money goes to Blakey because he's more he has more connections and more versatile you know because at the same time he can body Usmamani just by singing it doesn't mean that even if it's rap because Nama Ulakapro released it but he was singing Ulakapro and you know what they didn't mention my name so I won't entertain it until you mention my name and if you mention my name that's when I'm gonna get into it we're getting into business and we're gonna go for it you know so it's just fans like saying whatever they wanna say but Ulakapro is like no you know what if there's beef say my name
but we sort it out. This is good for hip hop I can see this is so good for hip hop understand
the thing is what people, we are hungry for hip hop ne? And at this point hip hop it's not coming back if it's not buzzing in the US for hip hop to come back it has to buzz in the US
but but the thing is even as a state artist was a state it's not even buzzing for
exactly that is why I'm saying
understand international it's not even there
so there's no the thing is for Kasegu we need hip hop to come back whatever it's not going to take place because the world has changed people have moved they don't care about beef that much
now we love dance music
they don't really care about beef that much you know it's like we if we can go to EPN this track yabo angeke we ever angeke ngize ngikhiphe 40 hour for a feature you know we have beef but it's still dance there's someone abakhuluma ngayo ukuthi tata ufuna 40k for a feature
piano man it's a game of favors dog like
exactly
mad like even you see this all these artists birthday celebration and the lineup is always the same once I check I understand if I see Jessic Puma Tuesdays like Scott Mapuma then Scott Mapuma on Friday we have vibes on me you understand so it's a game of favors so that's why I can Puma maybe lo muntu lofuna imali is trying to change things you understand because at the end of the day sifuna ukumonetize we all need money
the thing is what even if you want to monetize but if you found a game whereby they're just doing favors because if you have a birthday party I come and do your thing. You must come and do my thing, you know. And it's all about if you're hot in a corn, because some people won't do you a favor if you're not hot. Because I won't need you, anyways. Because you're not even like popping on the streets.
Yeah, but for the fact you would see, they know what's the guy that I don't know. He needs 40k. That means they asked.
I'm sure, but just 40k.
Yeah, he's big. That guy, whoever he is, he's big. I'm sure. I got that. He's big. I understand. Who's on that song when? Because I got Pumi.
It's Chopper. No man, it's not Chopper. But they Shy joint album no Focalistic.
Oh, Chico,
it's Chico. Uncool.
Uncool low, my 40,000. Uncool, I think now tanda my beef. Tanda my beef too much. I understand. Tanda my beef too much. The last big no Makosa and all that. You understand that like what's happening?
When you big, man. I think at the same time we must agree with Uncool is big. you know, he's doing well for himself.
Yeah, he's doing well for himself.
Yeah, and his numbers right now for me, he's the hottest MC next to Makosa, obviously. Because Makosa, I can give Makosa number one.
Okay, I can say last we had a conversation on Makosa and Uncool. That time Uncool was winning. I understand. But Fitz, I think Makosa, I don't know, or Australia or something. Yeah. But Fitz is putting in the work right now. Down.
No, Makosa has been working, but he was working like on the like sidelines.
Yeah, I understand.
Like being chilled, and he didn't want like his stuff circuit to be more commercial in terms of I'm pushing music. He was just pushing his gigs.
It was all about my gigs.
Yes.
Right
so now
it's releasing
music.
It is making up. And we are born like there's no one we are born with cool.
Yeah. Not anyone.
I understand. That guy is big down.
Very big.
So Uncool maybe number 2, but number 1 I wouldn't give it to him. My fan. There's no MC better than Makosa right now. But there's one coming. Yes. Angeke babuye MC.
It's good. It's good.
Daughter.
You wanna X-Tab.
Daughter.
You know Kruger X-Tab. Because right now we're talking about producers and their crew.
Yeah.
I want Kruger X-Tab. You want? They'll kill you.
In fact, that guy is carrying piano hapo Newman.
I think Newman.
Yeah, he's carrying that label.
Yes.
One man from last year.
Yeah.
He's been carrying that label.
It's like angagulunge imophethe like X-Tab. Yabona X-Tab ka speaker.
Yeah.
I am fine.
Best producer like right now.
Yeah.
Ngathi piano like musically in South Africa.
I know.
Are you a producer who gets close?
Yeah.
To X-Tab.
No, X-Tab is the one. X-Tab is the one, Bafethu. You know, ezandleni zakapori, he was trained.
Yeah.
Very well.
Now is
very natural. Like,
well cooked.
Like there isn't a song he releases that is not a hit. Right now with very given weights.
That's why I basically put on angeke babuye MC down. Don't.
And Fethu yagela.
But yeah, if it's a music artist South Africa right now, it's top. I understand the top. Artists they're working. They're not talking a lot. Last year,
no, this year they are working.
Last year we had it.
What I love right now is that probably some of them we're not even gonna get it kupiano. We're not even gonna get it in Mhlampe kumaskandi this year.
Yeah,
I feel like we're gonna get it kubo Afro pop. You know. Because they are working as a vocalist. Hey, Naledi,
and I saw Nomfundo Mo. Yeah, she released that
album. Project. Is beautiful. Oh, what a beautiful
project!
Album.
Features are there. Like the Mnandi album. I was listening to it like today. Though. Clean.
Clean.
I understand.
Yeah, but even Makazi released an album, but it's not doing the bars as it should. It was like number 1 on the first release day. And
now, you know something about the album, the number 1 on the first day. It's not what it's good. It's because we all want to hear it. I understand.
Yeah.
For me, what's this church album? Let's give it a month. If it's a top 10 by a month, then it's a good album. But at first, in fact, even the people that hate Umakats want to listen.
And see
what's happening. So even me, I don't even know what's in my category this album. And the fetish is big, so I don't know what's happening. But the game is changing, man.
No, the game
there's no longer an artist like is holding like we are number 1 right now. There's a lot of music now.
There's a lot of music, but the artist for me right now, if we're going back to hip hop, who's holding everything?
Yeah.
Tanya Devs. Your girl, I'm fan. Ghostly.
Yeah, Tanya is on.
I know. Ghostly.
Yeah, I think my album like it did justice. I can give it a solid 8 out of 10.
No, I give it 10.
Because
it's been like what? I think
3-4 months that's the 2 years.
Yeah.
It's the same thing. It's almost all the songs. it's one concept. Agna variety ku story. It's all about I love you. Like he should have named album Gutsi Azande, not Bayete. You understand? No, it's dope. It's dope. I won't like good songs. You understand? But there's one storyline that I have is.
No, he's in love.
He's in love. And I love that for him. You understand? I love that for him.
You know,
so that's why I give it a solid 8. I understand.
And he's a great artist. He's a great performer. His style, like, it's in hip hop, no one can touch him in his style in terms of swag. You know, that guy can swag up, man. In terms of like trauma, that guy so they out there like it clean.
Yeah, but it's what it doesn't seem like from
no, you know what? He's humble, he's a great guy. You know, like you can have a conversation with him is normal. Yeah. Nah, I mean, like sometimes Umswenko can make you look like you have eyes or
okay.
I know. Shiva slap. Shiva slap.
So
and there's a 3-step song is busy on.
That's one thing I love about him with Apumegu Black Diamond, because he announced where the officially with his out.
Yeah, but Black Diamond still exists. Even him, he said so.
No, he announced last week, I think, on a post, a short post.
No, he said he's joking on that post.
Oh, he said he's joking.
He said
okay,
no.
But I think it's good for him, because like I'm limited, man.
You know what?
He's a great artist, individually.
No, he's a great artist individual, but business-wise, that crew was good also.
Yeah.
Black Diamond together and no Luntuzan, no Dope Rounds. They were doing good.
Okay, if you say good Black Diamond still exist, there's Summer Rain. They are Dope Rounds. Why bangatanga Black Diamond featuring?
You know why bangatanga Black Diamond? It's because Undo Brown released Ingoma for himself, featured Udanya, and also featured the Black Diamond when he took it. What they're trying to do, it's great for business. They are trying to monetize themselves alone and also monetize with Black Diamond. So basically, if you can book Mhlampu Udanya because of his album and the hits that are there, and then also book Black Diamond because of the hits and albums that are there. Imagine the money they are making.
Okay.
Yeah. Because if Mfunundu Upra, Udanya for his album, at him mhlampe ngifuna 50k. Bese ngiphinde ngithi ngifuna i-catalog yenu yelo.
Black Diamond.
Malini leyo azokuchacha yona.
Crazy, man.
It's crazy,
because
man.
Black Diamond has a crazy in the catalog.
We don't do. I can't like really mention him and Gaspon stuff like I want.
Yeah.
You know, it's like Nyabuzwa. Kona the song, the track up is in I, which I feel is by what you call World Cup song. Yeah, I got a bit of the snippets is posting around. It's a beautiful song. The is in Ayundu. In a World Cup vibes and stuff. Ne? But for me, when he drops an album, that's when I'll start saying Undo Browns.
Yeah, I wanna mind you're pitting them against each other. Right
I'm
now.
not even gonna pit them against each other. They are good in their own ways, but the streets are pitting them against each other.
Yeah.
Because most people say it goes Diamambela, it's Undu.
Nah. Have you listened to Ingoma's Black Diamond? Those songs that are big. Like listen to them good down. The parts that was what's under mostly. It was Udanya.
I mean, from day one, I fuck with Udanya.
Yeah, it was Udanya. Even me, I'm with Udanya. I have to choose. Yeah, if I have to choose, it's Danya over Undo Browns. I understand. Undo Browns is dope, but it's not more than Udanya.
I don't know whether he's dope in production, because it seems like he's always like on the other side, like good production.
Yeah, maybe. Yeah.
Probably it's just like dope in those things,
Yeah.
But probably like writing wise, Danya is the one.
Danya is the one.
That's the one.
Danya is the one.
Sivale, mfana.
Oh yes.
Thank you guys for tuning in.